I'm going to tell you how to fix your Instagram Reels if it kept on going with the black screen problem. So, if your IG Reels are showing a black screen instead of playing normally, this is usually caused by a temporary app bug, a poor internet connection, or just an outdated app. So, first, close Instagram completely and then reopen it. Then try loading the reel again. If the problem continues, check your internet connection, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if the reel loads properly. Next, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store, because outdated versions can sometimes cause video playback issues. You can also try logging out of Instagram and logging back in. If you're on Android, clearing the app cache may help. On iPhone, reinstalling Instagram can achieve a similar result. If only one specific reel has a black screen, the original upload may be corrupted or temporarily unavailable. So try viewing other reels to see if they play normally. And finally, if IG is experiencing server issues, the problem may resolve on its own after some time. And that's it. That's how you can try to fix a black screen issue on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.